Bodega Boys.
Oh, come on, bro. We gotta do a fucking podcast, bro. Wake up. Wake up.
What? Come on, man. What the fuck, bro?
Wake up.
What? Did we book a party, bro? What's going on? What?
Look, it says we gotta be back at showtime on Monday. You think there'd be any like kids in the audience?
I think so, yeah. We lowered the age of entry to 10.
I always had a low age for entry.
I see what you did there, yeah.
What was that, a siren?
Whoa.
What's going on? What's going on? Whoa. Put this magazine under your shirt.
Hey, kids. Welcome to Sex Street. I'm Benzo the Clown, and this is my friend, Mr. Fun Fun.
Hey, kids.
We're just here to teach you about your body.
Your body, my body, Vosotros.
You know what I'm saying? Listen,
Anyway,
kids.
I heard one of your kids, your mom, like, she got smacked, and now you live here, so.
That sucks.
Do you bring any of her drugs?
That was actually me. My mom, she got into my stash and shit, and then we got into like a little bit of a beef or whatever.
Wait a minute, you're not a puppet.
Well, yeah, I mean, I am for the government, you know what I'm saying? Like if you really think about it, like if you open your third eye, like I'm a puppet for the government, you know what I'm saying?
You're a grown man.
Yeah, but it's like, they're using me as an example of opioid addiction and shit like that, but I'm just out here having a good time.
How do you live? It's not even how do you live here?
Well, this is Smack Street. Smack Street. We're on Smack Street. Hey, how you doing? Is Julio around? Can we go to Mr. Julio's store?
There's no Mr. Julio store. This is a kid show.
Nah. I was told that Mr. Hooper's store closed down, and now they opened Mr. Julio's store, which sells a different product, if you know what I mean. Snuffleupagus told me so.
Snuffle who?
Yeah, the guy, the elephant,
You can't see him.
He gets a little, He has a couple hot bags, He gets right, then he's like, "Hey, bird," That guy. He told me to come down here, bro. Come on, what the fuck? This shit is called Smack Street, bro. Are you telling me there's no fucking dog food out here?
All right, calm down. Put that knife down.
All right, well, I mean, you're getting me aggravated, bro.
Come on.
I'm getting itchy, bro. I'm getting the shakes, bro.
All right, relax, bro.
Come on,
It's
bro.
Nice, bro.
Come
Put
on.
the knife down, bro.
All right. Listen, just give me Julio, all right? This episode is brought to you by the letter H, all right? That's Sweet Lady H. And if I don't get someone, I'm gonna fucking go crazy out here. Julio, my fucking guts hurt. Call Julio right now. Get Julio on the fucking phone. Somebody, please. God damn it. This is episode 174. We're on Smack Street. I need Julio. I need a hot bag right fucking now. Fuck! My guts hurt. They're in knots. God damn it. Do the fucking drop. God, fuck you. Holy shit. Is that Julio?
Papi, what you doing over there on Smack Street? Huh? I thought you never go over there. Hey, get out of here. There's too many police. Tekashi's over there in the building in the bodega. He's making it hot. Everybody stop. Everybody go away from here. Everybody get out of here. It's episode 174. Everybody, okay? The Bodega Boys that's what we're talking about right now. No Julio Stone or nothing like that, okay? This is a podcast. Only podcast comedia. That's it. Jokes, funny time, okay? No drogas, no nothing, all right? Do the fucking drive. Let's get out of here. Y'all niggas talking to police. That's it. Yo, cierra esta vaina, loco. 174, episode 174. Do the drive. Let's get out of here. Let's go. Vámonos.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Episode 174 of the world's most diverse and inclusive podcast. You're welcome.
That's right.
All you little groups out there.
All you Bajans?
All you Bajans. Nope. We run Ramshot through the Caribbean.
Yo.
It's your boy Desus Nice.
Yo, it's Bodega Mero. We out here. Yo, Jamaica stole Rihanna from the Barbados. Yo, so
We didn't steal her. Like she's always been from Jamaica. Yo, it's your boy Victor in the house here.
Shit, fat God in the building, y'all. You know what I'm saying? With the fly knit.
She has too much drip to be from
Barbados.
from a little island. Come
She's
on,
like, motherfucking Kali Buds are from Barbados.
Okay. Even they had that great song in the front of the weed come around.
Yo.
I sing that like at least once a month.
Yo.
You know what it is. Some things have happened this week.
Yeah, some things, you know what I mean?
Shout out to it looks like it's gonna be Astros Yankees.
Astros Yankees once again.
Once again. Hopefully the outcome is different.
Yeah, it will be.
But it's a different team this year.
It's a different team.
Got to feel good energy coming in.
Yeah, the Astros don't look like the juggernaut that they look like last year. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
They're hittable.
They're hittable.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, they was putting it on the Rays.
Yeah.
They're sad. Hate to see it.
You hate to see it, but you know what I'm saying? Jose Altuve lost 2 baby teeth. He's recovering right now. You know what I'm saying? He might start the series on the injured reserve.
Do you think Pio could beat him up?
Absolutely. 1,000,000%.
I can see
Especially if you give Pio like a bottle or some shit. Like, it's over. It's over.
Oh, Pio.
He's washing him.
Pio keeps a very clean kitchen.
Yo.
I look at those videos. I'm like, wow. Like,
yo, your kitchen is it's immaculate.
It's immaculate. If Pio can keep a clean house, why can't you keep a clean house?
Huh? Do better.
Pio,
Do better.
Pio is like what's his name, Smokey the Bear, but for like keeping your house clean.
For personal hygiene.
Only you could prevent nasty house. Oh, Pio.
Oh, come on, Pio.
We're gonna have a show where
I don't want to brush my teeth tonight.
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
You have to brush your teeth and have dental hygiene.
We're gonna have a show where we just bring Pio to people's houses. It's like bar rescue, but
he's like, shut it down. This is crazy. I don't smell no hookah in here.
you just go look under the bed. She's on a plate. It's like,
you disgusting. Asco, asquerosa.
Bar Rescue is a cool show, but they need to make it for like more stuff.
More shit.
Just don't stop at bars.
Like, yo, barbershop
You could have a
rescue.
channel that could just like have rescues for every like gyro shop rescue.
Yeah.
Make it very niche.
Halal cart rescue.
Like
you know what I'm saying?
illegal hair braiding store rescue.
You know what I'm saying? Chibi truck rescue. All that shit. Fucking bodega rescue.
Porn store rescue.
True.
You know?
Word.
Think about all those porn stores in
You got the
Street.
bestiality right next to the interracial.
Are they still selling DVDs?
Shut it
Do
down.
people still got DVD? Wow.
Yo, listen.
That's a problem. If you buy a DVD and then bringing it home and then putting it in a DVD player, wow.
You're different.
That's a different type of. You earn that spank.
Yeah, dog. That's like a merit badge. Like, you know what I'm saying?
That's like the troops. Like, fuck it.
Yo.
Braver than me.
Yo. Thank you for your service.
Man. That's the greatest generation right there.
Being brave enough to go barefaced into a pino store and like browse. Niggas just browsing and they're like, yo, Bigfoot Butt's 37 or 39.
I mean, that's what, when you're clicking on the little page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, our ancestors, that's what they were doing at porno stores, okay?
Yeah. Well, Aki out front, like, yo, this is completely against my religion, but fucking gotta get this bread.
Exactly. How many poppers you want? All right, here you go. Here you go.
Yo.
Hold on, let me put it in a brown bag and tape it.
Yeah.
Just so people don't know that you're walking out here. Even though it looks like you have a brick of cocaine.
Yeah.
No, it's like I have
a brick of big wet butts.
I got Sloppy Bottom 7. I got
the best of Nina Hartley.
I got 20 DVDs for $20. Then I got home. I'm like, some of these are repeating. And they're like, yo, you paid $20 for this shit.
For this shit, dog. It says 12 hours on the DVD. Does any DVD have 12 hours worth of footage on it, motherfucker?
Or it has like features in the menu that don't work.
That don't work. Multiple angles. What does that mean?
How does that work? What remote I got? What angles am I coming through at?
I press the angle button on my fucking remote. You stupid. The fuck is? Yo.
Oh,
yo.
You know what?
Yo.
We started with Pino. We started with Pino. Again, America, we have failed you. I said we relapsed. We relapsed. Who was the character? We're Bubbles? Oh, we Wire, but for Pino. I'm like, I relapsed, Mom.
Oh, man. I had a moment of weakness. It broke me. Sarah J's butt broke me.
We got to go to like a porn addicts anonymous meeting. I would say I'll be like, my name is Desus. I'm a porn addict, but like I'm just here to take y'all like, the porn y'all don't want. I mean, y'all don't need it.
It's like a jersey swap. Like you just. You beaching me for $100. Yo, my nigga, what? Yo, and we both hold up the DVDs like
Beat your meat. Beat your meat.
That boy got some meat. Yo, we gotta just put that shit on the soundboard. Yo. Oh God.
Good times.
That's real. I've actually not super recently, but recently was like just downtown killing time. Mm-hmm. And I was just like, you know what? Let me walk into like one of the last remaining Pino stores in New York, and it was just as depressing as I thought it would be.
Yeah. I went to one on 14th Street because I was killing time because I get to places early, and I was like, all right, I got to do some shit. And they were still selling like VHS tapes, and I was like, damn, this is a. Dog. And then like the owners was looking at me like, look at this scumbag,
look at this dirty ass one. I'm like, dog, this is research.
I was like, I'm just killing time. Yeah. I'm not buying anything. I'm better than your usual customers. How dare you?
I want to see if you guys were still as gross as you were before.
This is disgusting. Is it the adult section still in the back? Okay.
Yeah.
That's where I'm going.
Yeah. I'm going through the beaded curtains into the weird shit.
That shit is like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory for scumbags.
Yo, you go through the beaded curtains and that's when you see the one like, yo, is that a horse dick? Like, what the fuck?
You just walking by, all of a sudden you see porn you didn't even know existed. You was like, what?
Yo.
You was like, how?
Triple fisting grannies. Like, what the fuck?
A dog in a wheelchair. What the fuck? And the dog's like, they're like 30 anal scenes. I'm like, what?
Like, what? How do you blow an orca?
I'm like, what? Just put it in your cart for later.
Yo! She's got mad dust on it and shit. You walk past like the rabbit vibrator with mad dust on the package. Like, damn, dog.
Oh.
Niggas ain't been in here in a minute.
Pino.
Are you wearing a Naughty America bracelet?
Oh, shit, I am.
Oh, my God!
Wow. I actually.
Yo, we've come full circle. Nobody does it better.
Stop talking about people with Naughty America. I have no idea. I just.
Hashtag ad.
I thought I was just putting on a white bracelet. I forgot it's Naughty America. Jesus.
Naughty America.
So we gotta go to rehab, dog. We gotta go to like Pino rehab because this is out of control.
Oh shit, that's real. I respect it though.
Listen, this is a flex.
It's a badge of honor.
It's a let's people know. Okay,
I'm not afraid.
I am not afraid. I stand up. Okay, I beat my meat. I beat my meat. Stand up on the plane and get everyone to start chanting that.
Even kids and shit.
Who here beats their meat? Stand in solidarity.
Stand in solidarity with us.
Sound like a wild rally in Washington D.C.
Like they'll never take our masturbation.
Never. Be the mitad. Be the la mitad. Be the la mitad. He was doing like that Minnesota clap. They're like
kids and shit like
beating the meat. Beat that meat.
Yo, my God.
It's like the Hong Kong protest, but let me. Whoa. Yo. We don't want to get banned from China.
Yo, for real.
We have a huge listener base, a huge fan base in China.
China will get niggas out of here quick.
Right? So just want to say we stand in solidarity with the communist government.
Word. We bang with y'all, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my nigga Xi Jinping, you know what I mean?
Ping.
You know what I'm saying? Ping, ping. You know what I mean? That's my guy.
They said that because they, who was it? Because Harden and like one of the owners of the
Daryl Morey, the GM,
Rockets
was
said,
like, yo,
all he did was post something about Hong Kong, and China was like, you know what, cancel
y'all niggas.
All right, they beefing about American cancel culture. That's cancel culture for real.
Like,
so now there's a chance that they're saying China might adopt the Nets as like their team.
Their team?
That would be no. That's brilliant. That's brilliant for the Knicks because that means the Nets would be aligned with a communist dictatorship. Oh, that's who you're gonna bang with?
Oh, word?
Oh, word, KD?
Oh, word?
Huh?
Answer that question. This is gonna
join those prison camps. Yeah. All right, James Dillon doesn't do bad shit like that. He just makes music.
Guess what? You get a bad game. You have a bad game, dog. You get disappeared. You know what I'm saying? Get disappeared, Kyrie. You know what I'm saying?
See, I was gonna say that's not gonna happen, but Kyrie would definitely believe that would happen.
Oh, hell yeah. He's like, yo, I'm putting up a triple-double every night. I don't want to get disappeared.
He thinks China's like over there because the Earth is flat.
He's like, yo, all they got to do is drive like 20 miles.
He was like, if there were like riots over there, I'd be able to hear them. So
they're on the riots. I don't care.
It doesn't happen.
You're stupid.
Very excited for the Knicks season because one of the Knicks, because KD said the Knicks are not cool.
Okay.
Which, you know what? He's
Fine.
allowed to say that.
Fine.
He's allowed to say
You're
that.
allowed to, man.
All I'm saying is, when you go to the Nets games and you hear that chant, Brooklyn,
Yes.
Brooklyn, when you used to hear it in hip hop videos, the people saying it was scary.
Yeah.
You know? Like, you were like, yo,
Oh, shit.
goons, oh shit, niggas had their chest out.
Yeah, you're
Niggas like,
definitely
shoot
Junior
you.
Mafia.
All right?
Yeah, uh-huh.
All right, now niggas do it and then they go to the food co-op.
Yeah,
It's like,
yeah.
it's not the same.
Yeah, now they got-
It's not the same.
Now they got more. Now
All right?
they got scarves on.
There's a chance
You know what
someone
I'm
saying it might have a gluten allergy.
Exactly.
You know? It's
You know
not
what I'm saying?
scary.
They don't want to break their Warby Parkers. You know what I'm saying?
That's right. Hit them with that glasses brand name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Tell them.
Cowards.
Yes, they are cowards for not using Warby Parker.
What's a fucking hipster glasses company? It's not William Painter. That's bro shit.
Warby Parker.
Warby Parker.
Warby
Bah!
Maybe like Soul Mascot, but they've been around for a while. They were around-
Shut the soul mascot.
Shout out to everyone listening right now. So lost the way I am. I'm like, what? Because you
You
said
don't
you
live this
said,
bifocal
you
life.
said soul mascot.
Yeah.
That sounds like someone performing at Roots Picnic.
Warby Parker.
We know soul mascot. Like they're performing with Solange or some shit, and King and her. And I was like, wow.
Solange, Thundercat, and Warby Parker on the main stage.
Wow. Like I love it. I love it. It's got such a vibe.
Yo,
It makes me feel like Black Rose.
yo, they formed a supergroup called Sandalwood.
Tomorrow, opening day for my Rangers.
Oh,
You know what it
yeah,
is?
that's right, pal.
You know what it
That's
is?
right. Yeah, we bleed blue over here, bro. Rangers
All right, Rangers Town. Rangers
That's right,
Town.
buddy.
None of that Islander stuff.
Nah, bro.
No, okay?
No way, bro.
Catch me tying on at tracks before I go to MSG. Okay? If they lose, I'm fighting someone on the LA
That's
double
right.
R.
Catch me in Penn Station slogging a beer with a Mike Richter jersey on before I hit the game.
Whoa. Someone's classy over here. Yeah. A lot of people pay for drinking at the bar. I just go to Rite Aid.
Fuck that. Get a 6 and throw it down the leg, bro.
Yeah, walking right in. My brother's a cop, so they gotta let me in. No, Rangers games is lit. I'm going to mad Rangers games this year just to piss people off. The people were like, they're like, why do you get such good seats?
Bro,
Shout out to Gene.
Yeah.
'Cause we literally sit in row 1, seat 1. This guy tapped me on the shoulder once and was like, I have to ask, what do you do? I was like, please don't talk to me. I was like, sir, you're behind me. I am not looking behind
You
me.
gotta hit him with the Terrence Howard flow, like, listen, man, you don't deserve to know what I do, brother, because 1 times 1 is an atom. You know what I'm saying? And the molecules in the air that we breathe, you do not understand. God damn, no, I'm turning my ringer off. This young nigga's wilding.
How your ringer on in 2019?
Listen, yo,
Like what? What kind of life you living?
yo, I went from
Nobody has the ringer on except for like my parents.
Yo, hold on. And the fucked up shit is that my case is so fucked up, I can't even do like just, you know how you just press the button? And the shit
Why don't you
goes
just buy a
silent?
new case?
I should. But
You've
know
been
what
beef
I'm
about this case for like 2
Months,
years.
literally.
2 years. He's had that shit since the other that
Your
worked.
man got on Gucci sneakers, multiple chains, and had the same phone case for 2 networks.
But you can tell he was living a different life when he got that case because it doesn't like come off without a tool, right? Like he used to get it and just like put it in a sarcophagus.
Yo,
and I was
like,
like,
yo.
bro, it's not that serious.
Here's the wildest part.
I had to open it with a butter knife, nigga, and then I put it back together.
Here's the wildest part. Mero constantly talks about, I love going to the mall. I love getting smacked going to the mall. Where do they sell phone cases at? You gotta pass at least 5 kiosks selling phone cases.
Yo, I was thinking I could have had the little pump phone case. I could have had the fake Supreme phone case. Like,
Why don't you get like a Gucci phone case or something? You been out here with the squalor phone case.
Yo, you know this shit is wild squalor when they got dust on the inside, like, and it just does not come off ever. Like, yo, yeah.
He got the maybe I'll hop the turnstile, maybe I don't phone. Look at you. Is that what keeps you humble? That phone?
Just looking at the phone like, y'all remember the days. You know what I'm saying? We have nothing. All we had was
That phone is from before Desus versus Mero.
Yo, Tim Apple gave me this shit.
That
nigga.
phone is old as shit. That shit came with a YouTube album. Hello, it's Vertigo.
Shit came with a $10 iTunes gift card and shit.
Rest in peace, iTunes.
R.I.P. iTunes. Y'all niggas can't own y'all music no more. You tight.
It's sad. It's sad. I think Torrents is coming back.
Yo, you have to start the ripping groups again.
Let's bring it back. RNS.
Bring
RNS is back, baby. RNS, CMS, Ego, KSI. We back, baby. We back in business. I don't care if you were in a ripping group. I don't care if you're 40. Like, hit me up. We're bringing them back.
Holla.
People be like, I can lose a lot. I can go to jail for this.
I ain't got a lot to lose nowadays.
Like,
you see what happened with Evil Empire.
It's easier to be a hacker and all that stuff when you're like a teenager. Because if you get caught, well, you're not going to jail. They're going to tell your parents or some shit. Yeah. You do that shit at like 40, you're going to jail for like white collar crime. Woo. You don't be in there. You don't be in jail for like computer crimes. That shit is whack.
Nah, you be in there with like Martha Stewart.
You can't even explain to people like what you're in jail for.
So like what I did was like I downloaded FL Studio, and then we made a bunch of illegal copies, and then I made up these like codes so that people could like crack them and like you have the full version instead of like demo version.
You just stab you.
Yeah, I'm just like, I'm sorry, I'm mad pussy.
Right.
I'm sorry, I'm mad pussy.
Right. Would you download a car? Oh,
Yo,
what's up with 3D printing? How come it's not bigger? I thought we'd be.
Fam, I swear to God, by 2020, I would be printing shotguns in my crib.
All types of shit,
like tanks.
It's mad slow,
like all that shit. Like I thought, you know, the GTA when you do the GTA code, that shit just appears. That's what I thought I was gonna be doing by this time with 3D printers. But nope.
We were like when you were younger, you think 2020 we'd have like flying cars,
all that shit,
all types of that,
jets and shit.
Now think about the shit we got. We got the same ratty ass train system
from like 1805.
What's like a big develop? What's something we didn't have in 2000 that we have now?
Oh well,
Jules,
Jewel pods, and a major development. The what used to be payphones are now Wi-Fi hotspots and also places for homeless people to masturbate.
Okay, that's not a recent development at all. That is welcome to New York. Apparently, you've lived in the Midwest for several years.
Yo, those Wi-Fi kiosks never work. By the way,
they do.
Like, yeah,
they do.
They work like Amtrak Wi-Fi.
No, they work. The one on my block, the kid just sits out there all day connected to it using the internet. And I felt bad, and I was like, oh, because he's using like a phone, and I was gonna give him like a tablet. Because I have like a tablet I don't use. And I was like, oh, I could just be benevolent and give it to him. And I was like, should I be giving away electronics on my block? Probably not. That's not living in the Bronx, that's not something you do. So
still got tablets.
Also, he gave me a dirty look once, so he's dead to me.
Fuck you.
I mean, you know.
Ellen out here hugging up with, you know what I'm saying, George Bush. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's up in arms.
Yeah, that's weird because people are just like, she shouldn't hang with him. I mean,
I'm like, yo, like, look.
People like that. She's like, it doesn't matter about your views, but then she was like, oh, you're saying that because you're rich, and I was like, that's probably true.
That's absolutely true.
Probably true.
It's like you're mega hyper rich. Like, you're not like rich, like
not like rich. Yeah. Rich.
Yeah, like you're beyond
450 mil.
Yeah,
that's a lot. That's a lot of. That's a lot of bread.
Yeah,
she's not walking around asking "Where's me peace, bro?"
No.
Okay.
She got all that money because she sold all the fucks that she had to give, and she gives no fucks anymore, and is rich, mega rich. So she could, nigga, she could fucking. They could put a video up of her playing Scrabble with fucking Putin and Gaddafi right now.
It's true,
and nobody would give a shit.
And the thing is,
she'd be like, you know what? We have differences. They use nerve gas. I don't. But at the end of the day, we're all humans. Okay,
we'll be like,
we have to come together. Yeah, that's right. Thank you.
I'm on Instagram. I'm like, yes. Thank you for telling it like it is.
UNITY.
Because everybody's like, yo, I want to be on that show. Also, if you're not like, people don't realize a lot of celebrities do not use social media. Like they have social media accounts, but it's someone else running them, so they don't see all that outrageous shit. They don't give a shit.
They don't fucking care.
They don't give a shit. What do you think? She's in one of her 6 houses, stressed like, oh my god, Boho sister 793 said I am a terrible person because I hang out with a war criminal. No, she's probably like eating a portion from the back.
Yeah,
like She's like, you ever made love to a multiple millionaire?
Yo, bring me the raw honey.
Let's go. Yo, let's get freaky. Put on an old Ally McBeal episode.
Yeah.
I was like, isn't she from Arrested Development? I was like, no, take it back.
No, take it back.
Take it all the way back. Take it back in the Wash Chronicles.
Shout out to her.
Wait, are we bigging her up or no?
Portia, yeah.
Portia?
Not Ellen and George
Not Ellen?
Bush.
I mean,
Portia, like, she was like off to the side. Like,
I mean, that's
I
gonna
don't know
be
if I rock
your
with
kid's
this.
gonna hang with Barron Trump in the future.
Oh no! Don't say that.
Yeah.
Fuck. That's why I'm like trying to steer them on the right path and like,
No, like
hang out with SoundCloud rappers.
if you're like successful, yeah, it's gonna be like your daughter and Barron Trump hanging courtside at a Knick game.
Damn. No, I don't want that for my kids. I'd rather my kids hang out with Peckhouse kids. Like, yo.
Nah, they're gonna be hanging with Barron Trump. And it's gonna be like the wild flex, and people are gonna be like, oh, but by then people will have forgiven Trump.
Oh yeah, he'll be like a cute idiot. Like
No, he
how
won't even-
George.
Everyone just be like, well,
he's so dumb. He's so dumb.
But he was a
Lovable loser.
Yeah, he was cute. Oh, it was like, look at his little gaps. Oh. Remember we put kids in cages? That was cute.
It's adorbs.
They're gonna have like when he dies, oh my god, the dick sucking that is going to happen,
God.
and they're gonna name a bridge after him, and they're gonna name a boat after him, and people are gonna talk about what a joy it was to work with him,
my God.
how respectable he was.
Hey, you know that's what he loves. He's gonna be the first motherfucker to die and be in his casket with a full-on erection, just from all the adulation he's getting and shit. Like, yo,
They're talking about me.
Yeah, I built half a feet of fence, and it cost $80 million. What's good? I'm the man. Did you notice that? You man start speeches like that now? I'm like, yo, is your man going full reptile? He gets on the mic, he's like, I'm like, yo, you little Wayne laying the blood before verse?
You gotta bring all that Adderall in there.
Yo, he's
You gotta make sure he's ready.
Like, yo,
He's like, yo,
I got the periques up there. Listen, guys.
I can't feel my
I
face.
can't feel my face. This shit is fish scale. Oh my god.
Every time he starts a speech, he's like, when your boy comes out the bathroom in the club, he's like,
He's like, yo, listen.
let's go.
Woo, yo.
Let's go.
Guys, listen, I have a great idea.
Holy shit, do you guys see the music as well as I do?
Whoa,
Like, oh, wow.
I can see the bass vibes, bro.
I see the notes.
Whoa, bro. That's G flat.
This G's not flat. Move over, niggas. Start dancing by myself.
Fuck. Let's smoke some angel dust.
Smoke some angel dust. Well, you gotta have angel dust on you.
Yeah, that's true.
That's not something that you come.
Let's do a whole episode where we just do this shit on shrooms.
You know what? Shrooms are not that fun. They just make me giggle a lot. It's not.
They make you giggle a lot.
It's not. It doesn't have a wild effect. You want to do it on like some angel dust?
Yeah. Let's take it back to
Take
the
it back.
90s.
Wow. Just start fighting everyone in here.
Yo, eat the table and shit. Like, yo, just start fucking putting the mics in my ear. Like,
One time in bookings, this kid was talking. He was like, yeah, I got in a car accident and I hurt my back, so I got to take angel dust all the time for the pain. Everyone was like, word, word, word. And I was like, did you see a doctor? And everyone looked at me like, what are you, smart? And I was like, you know what? I'm going to shut the fuck up.
I'm gonna just be quiet now.
I'm going to just be quiet. I see the rest of us do not share the same education level.
I'm smoking angel dust for the pain. For the what? The pain of reality, nigga? Because angel dust just puts you in a video game.
Everybody there is talking about like their crimes and shit. I went to war with the cops with the AK-47. They come to me. I'm just like, this whole journey reminds me of the Canterbury Tales. I mean, so traveler comes and a traveler goes. And
Yo, this nigga reading books. Yo, jump this nigga. Fuck out of here.
well, like Thoreau says, I guess that's my ass. Nah, you gotta be, if you're an educated nigga, you gotta get a book in prison and put that shit in a sock.
Yeah, that's it. And just whack a nigga over the head with War and Peace.
Beat a nigga to death with a Jane Eyre book.
Yo, hold this.
The irony.
Oh, you fuck with Tolstoy, nigga? You really fucking with Tolstoy now, motherfucker.
He's like, all right.
Yeah.
They come back with Beowulf. Everyone start running like, oh shit.
Oh shit, he's not playing.
Shit, you got the opera.
Oh shit. You come back with Moby Dick. He's like, yo, this nigga got the extendo bump stop.
Extendo. Oh. So yeah, but use books as weapons.
Yeah, that's right.
That's
you know
right.
what I'm saying? Or call your shooter Tom Wolf. You know what I'm saying?
Tom Wolf.
Tom Wolf, you know what I'm saying?
Tom Wolf, he's related to Michelle Wolf, who used to have the show on Netflix.
Yeah, that's right.
That's
and
her
Dick
father.
Wolf,
And Dick Wolf.
Who produced Law and Order.
The Wolf family, they run things. Things don't run them.
Yeah, nah. They call them the Wolf Pack.
Wolf Pack.
You know what I'm saying?
People
For
forget
life.
Wolfpack is the name of Omar Epps' former rap group.
Oh shit!
They had their song "Definition of a Man."
Oh wow!
That's right, Omar. I never forgot.
Definition of a man. Just by the title, I don't want to hear that song.
What's your definition of a man?
Oh god!
It was a moment. I don't even know if it exists. It does.
It does. YouTube never forgets. Oh shit! Here we go. Oh yeah, this is 90s. It's like boom, 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 boom. Yo, no lies, like a juvenile.
Little Omar Epps action for you.
Oh, yo, my sign is a Gemini. Yo, they all rap like that. Why did everybody rap like that in 1990 something?
Because we hadn't. It was the 90s. We hadn't invented consonants yet. So we were trying our best to make it happen. That kids got grammar nowadays. They got punctuation marks and semicolons.
Niggas writing raps with Grammarly.
People don't realize none of the MCs in the 90s had the Oxford comma. So that affected a lot of flows, you know? It was hard out there. All right.
Yo.
Rakim was like the E.E. Cummings.
Yo, he was.
Just verses.
Oh my God. Unbelievable. The cadence.
And now
the flow.
We have, such people as Blueface.
Oh yeah.
Little Pump.
Yeah.
Just wordsmiths.
Hey.
I'm
gonna leave that nigga looking like a bagel. Niggas is eating bagels. I was like, what the fuck is this nigga rapping about? I was like, what? Why are you rapping about bagels, nigga? Like, you're a crip. Like, do they even have bagels in your neighborhood? I was like, fam, I gotta go up to like Riverdale to get good bagels. or like H&H.
Let me tell you a New York story.
Oh boy.
I got a bagel once in Riverdale.
Hit me with it, Woody.
I bit into it. I broke my fucking tooth.
Unbelievable. That's
I go to the owner. I go, look, I got the tooth in my hand. I was like, your bagel broke my tooth. And she goes,
you had all the right in the world to go back.
She goes, it happens.
The nerve.
Unbelievable. Let me tell you.
The unmitigated goal. Let me tell you something.
The Yelp review I left.
Let me tell you something.
My God.
That's good.
6 paragraphs.
Let me tell you something. Better Business Bureau.
Oh.
Call them too. Call them too.
I wrote.
The I-Team. They're always on your side. We can go over there to the bagel shop right now, and we'll let them know how we really feel. The community feels about hard bagels.
I went to CBS. Got that guy. Shame on you.
Yeah.
And he went up there.
Yeah.
And he said,
That's
shame on them.
Yeah.
And they called the cops.
And then they were shamed.
They were shamed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
We're boycotting.
Yeah.
Can you boycott a bagel store? How often? Are people buying bagels every day?
I mean,
if you eat bagels every day, you're gonna get fat. I learned that the hard way when I worked at.
That's like hardcore carbs.
Yeah, it's hardcore carbs.
That's like fucking condensed carbs.
And then it's like cream cheese or butter, or if you're feeling extra fat like me, cream cheese and sour and Swiss cheese. Ooh. Just being at my desk in a food coma at 9:45. It's like I hate this job.
But this bagel though.
This bagel slamming. Start my day with a tab that has monster.com. The other tab has Indeed. The other tab has Yahoo Jobs. Look for anything. Not even looking for jobs I could work. Just looking for any job.
Niggas on bed page.
I'm like, what?
As a provider.
They're like looking for someone to put up chairs in Bryant Park. I was like, I'm out this bitch.
I'm with it. You need a fresh direct warehouse manager? Nigga, let's go.
Sad. They need to come up with a new way to get jobs, like a new resume system. I guess. Why do we use resumes?
Resumes are so
they don't make any sense.
And also, you could lie your ass off on your resume and get a job.
Yeah, but then see, the problem is if you lie your ass off, you get that moment I had with Final Cut Pro where they asked me to make an edit and change some lights on a video clip in Final Cut Pro, and after my boss walked away, I opened Google. and I typed in which icon is Final Cut Pro, and I was sitting there like,
Okay.
They were like, insert the media here, and I was like, what is that? I was like, and then I actually got the file open, and it was like mad different elements and different channels, and I was like, fuck, I lied my ass off.
Shit.
You know, we just sitting there, you just panic, and you click something, and like mad shifts, and you're like,
undo. Control Z.
And I'm just sitting there because it's like 4 o'clock, and I know I could leave at 5, and I was like, if I just kill time, I could just, everyone's gonna leave at 5.
I'll just leave this shit open.
Fuck it, I'll deal with it tomorrow. Like, I don't know if we're gonna get this shit done or not, but I actually figured out how to get it done, and that was the worst thing I could do because then they gave me like 20 more clips. And I was like, fuck. But you know, shout to
you gotta just lie and be like, oh, this copy is glitching.
yeah,
So make up some bullshit
like that.
This computer has a virus.
Here's a trick that you can do if you, excuse me. Well, a lot of computers are Wi-Fi now, but if you like work at an organization, they still have like wired network. Unplug the network connection in the back, and but just put it in slightly so it looks like it's connected.
Oh, and then be like, yo, I don't.
It's just not connected,
Network's
bro.
down.
Network's
I don't
down.
know. Server failed.
Because people will look, but they won't really pull on it.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
The more you know.
That's a little trick we used to do in the library when we didn't want to check out books. People come in, I'm like,
sorry, nigga, sit down and read that shit in here.
I was like, the network's down. I don't know what to tell you. And it was like, that's not how the library handles it. I was like, what do you mean? There was like, here's the notepad, and you're gonna write down every barcode.
The ISBN.
And I was like, oh my god,
you thought.
And it was like, and then when the network comes back up, you're gonna type those all in manually. I was like, So that's cool if like the network goes down for like 10 minutes. The network went down for a week.
Oof.
Nigga. You know how many books the library lost? Because I was like 05, 3, 4.
Whatever. Fuck. Nigga, who cares? Yeah.
Red book,
fucking cover.
yellow book by Wild Dub with attitude. I was like, oh shit.
Shout out to the library.
Shout out to the library. That's where you get books. You get books, you can get DVDs, you get resumes there, you can 3D print shit.
That was the wildest discovery I ever made. Was like, yo, I could get a DVD here for free? I was like, it's quiet for Blockbuster, nigga. Fuck Blockbuster.
Yeah, people don't know that.
Dick, bro.
People don't know that. And also, the library is free daycare if you don't really care about your kids.
Big facts.
Yeah, just leave them off there.
Mega facts.
They gotta learn. They gotta learn.
Yeah.
Make them learn not to talk to people there. You know,
just be like, yo, stranger danger. When they do the little reading circle shit, just go sit your ass in a circle. When they done, just wander around, go on the computer.
Take a sharpened pencil with you to the bathroom in case someone touches you. You can stab them.
Facts. Make sure you don't go on Pornhub on the computer.
Or if you do, print it out.
Facts.
You know, the good shit.
Make sure you go to the front and be like, yo, I got some pages printed.
I want some. Who printed out this porn? Be like, I did. I believe that creampie.jpg. That's mine.
That's me.
It's me.
Yo,
nigga, that's my print. Nigga, that's my print.
That's my print. Nigga, print movies like frame by frame.
Listen, when I worked at the library, somebody, instead of printing out like porn, they just printed out the names of porn files, like 5 pages of it.
Oh my
But the names of the files was like black dick and white pussy. So I guess you could read it, and maybe he had a better imagination than the rest of us.
Black dick and white pussy.
Sometimes maybe you just need 5 words.
Yo!
Actually, I think, speaking of Pino, I'm sure like years of watching porn has like ruined our spank bank ability.
Oh yeah. Well, nah, it depends. Like I feel like if it's a recent spank bank event, then I can like go back to it because it's like highlights from like yesterday.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? And I'm just like, oh word, yeah, I can rock with this.
But what about like the vintage shit?
Vintage shit, like I bust out the vintage shit every once in a while. If you know what it is. If you're watching a Pino and it reminds you of something from the spank bank, and you just pause the Pino and you just go back to the spank bank, like, oh shit, I remember when Shorty did this. Yeah, okay, so let me pause this because you're new to me. I don't really know you. You were just on the front page. Like I'm not a fan. Like I just saw the thumbnail and I was like, oh, this looks interesting.
Okay.
And then you see some maneuver or some shit that you have in the spank bank previously with a partner. And then you go back to that. You know what I'm saying? So in a way, it kind of refreshes the spank bank a little bit.
Sounds like a lot of work.
You know what I'm saying?
Sounds like a lot of work, but
But then you fuck around and fall asleep on your computer and the shit just auto plays Mad Pino in a row, and then you wake up and you're watching fucking hentai.
Yeah, I do not fall asleep from my computer. But I know you do.
Yeah.
I know you just.
What if the kids saw this? Huh? Jaden James takes 2 BBCs? Huh?
It's gross. She was just falling asleep with your dick out and your pants down.
No. I'm done by the time that shit. I've made sure. Listen,
Sir,
I'm married. I'm married. I have respect for my wife.
Sir, LA.
I cover myself up.
LA, what happened in LA? What did I see in LA?
Nothing wasn't there.
What did I see though? Okay? You want to be on your pants and bare shit. Man want to fall asleep with a fucking chalupa in his hand and his phone in the other. Disrespectful.
Your mama be ashamed of you.
Okay? I walked in like, where's my peeves, bruv? Wrong peeves, bruvs.
I'm grateful.
Wrong peeves, bruvs.
Wrong piece.
We go with that gyro. I was like, oh, they got Chipotle around here?
Yo. Oh my God.
He's got the meats.
Yeah, that boy got some meat.
Disgusting. Speaking of meats, we haven't been to
That should be
Arby's
the
in a
new
while.
Arby's fucking slogan.
But we got the meats.
That boy got some meat.
Well, Arby's has more than just meats. They got gyros.
They got gyros up?
But they say gyros.
Gyros?
But,
Gyros.
yeah.
Yeah. That's
What else is Arby's?
That's the Greek way of spelling it, even though in Greece they're like, yo.
You notice how Arby's didn't do like the Popeyes chicken? They were just like, yo, we just got meat, nigga.
Like, yo,
They like, yo, we located by Penn Station. Like,
Yeah.
No, we by Port Authority, excuse me. So,
yeah, you know what time it is.
you know what I'm saying? If you want to eat this while crying,
Yo,
shit, it's right here.
yo, you want to eat your sandwich and get stabbed by a homeless vagrant in a pea coat that smells?
It happens. Happens.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
It's part of the game, B.
We got the meats.
You know what I'm saying? You want the meats, you gotta, you know what I'm saying? Defeat the obstacles on your way to the meats.
And then Arby's has that, they got the bell you ring when you leave. Like if you had a good meal, you ring it. If you ring it by the one of Port Authority, you will get stabbed.
Oh, 100%.
Because we're not used to that in New York. We're not used to you doing
Like, yo, what the fuck?
what's wrong? Yo, what the fuck?
Yo, who's doing whimsical shit?
Who ringing bells?
Who the fuck is over here doing whimsical shit? I'm about to fuck with y'all niggas up.
Does Cold Stone Creamery, do they still sing? Remember Cold Stone Creamery when they first opened?
Nah, in Jersey.
They would sing when you walk in.
In Jersey, you're saying there like, yo, what you want in your fuck ice cream, nigga? You want Oreo crumbs and shit?
Oh, they used to sing
want
if you gave a
Reese's?
tip. They would ask your name. They like incorporate your name, new types of. So now it's just like no.
Yo, nah.
It's like even Chipotle. Remember Chipotle used to be like, yo, guac is extra. They don't give a shit.
I don't give a fuck.
They don't give a shit at Chipotle.
Yeah, these franchises are falling off. Yo, but I still fuck with some Cold Stone despite my fucking total inability to digest lactose.
Yeah.
Lactose. Fuck it. I'll go there. But yo, Shorty really does chop the shit like she's chopping a brick. Like she don't care no more.
I can't fuck with Cold Stone. I fuck with Cool House. It's a
non-dairy.
a vegan, no lactose or whatever. Like they sell them at Whole Foods.
Okay.
Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. You know, I'll be shopping.
Okay.
I bought it and I thought it was gonna be crap, and it was really good.
It was good?
It's really good.
Yo, the Ben & Jerry's dairy-free shit is pretty good too. I was surprised. And then Froyo, I was like, I ain't fucking with no frozen yogurt. Get the fuck out of here. I don't fuck with yogurt. I look like a baby.
Right, relax.
I'm a fucking
relax.
baby.
What are you so aggressive against frozen yogurt for?
Because I got 4 kids and they eat yogurt. So I just automatically equate that with like being a child and being childish and immature. So I'm like, I ain't need no fucking yogurt. Do I look like a baby to you? But then I tried it and I was like, oh, this is just basically ice cream. Soft serve ice cream. So
yeah,
I'm on the Froyo train now. Shut the 16 handles.
You might want to work on that.
I know.
Some issues here.
It's toxic masculinity.
It's really toxic masculinity.
Yeah, it is. And you know what? God's working on all of us. So
Is he? I don't think he is. I think God is like.
He's working on some niggas.
What if God's working on none of us?
What if God was one of us?
Just a bum like one of us?
Yeah, this stranger on the bus trying to make his way home. We've done this before, but you know what? It hits every time, so fuck it.
Yeah. Does it? See, the problem is, if we repeat enough of this podcast, eventually we're gonna get to the point where this podcast can be automatically generated by an algorithm.
Ooh, and then we still get paid, and we don't gotta do shit.
Why would we get paid? Why would they pay us if a computer could generate both parts of this podcast?
Intellectual property laws.
Nah, because it's like made in China or some shit where they don't have that.
It's made in China. Don't you mean China?
And then what? Then we're done. No more podcasts. It's not that hard. It's not. I mean, the algorithm. What? Throw in like a couple of yours, a couple of some Bronx references. Yeah. A lot of Pino shit. You talk else? About your kids. I mentioned something about sneakers. Something about Mac. Something about Heather. Boom.
What?
Boom. 174 episodes later. There you go.
You found the formula. You cracked it.
We're doing live shows at every venue. It's a hologram. Comes out. The hologram's got the flags and shit.
Yo, what up? Hey.
Listen, do you want to see Bodega Boys in Flagstaff? That's how it's gonna happen.
Yo, listen, I'm sorry. You had to make it. Listen, price went up.
No, we don't get paid for it. Like Cash App is just like running around doing it. We're just reading. We're finding out about the shit every day. He was like, "Yo, I just seen them in Tehachapi, New Mexico." I was like, "What?
What? We was there?
Why would we perform there?
What the fuck is that?"
We're performing at the same time in 5 cities.
Then we turn into Tekashi like, "You are fire all my management." You know what I'm saying? If you get a fucking call and you say that they booking the Bodega Boys, that's a dub. It's a lie. You know what I'm saying? It's not true. We fire all our management. I got all new management. We got all new management. You know what I'm saying? PO's our manager now. You know what I'm saying? So if you don't get a call directly from PO, then it's not official. You know what I'm saying? That's all I gotta say for right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting ready to snitch.
True. It's true.
How you do that? He's like, oh, niggas are extorting me. I could just fire them. No, nigga, that's not how it works.
Yeah, the whole Tekashi thing it's a weird story.
That's gonna be you know how they did the OJ shit and they like really ran with it and they did like 6 different versions. Mm-hmm. I can't wait till like fucking 10 years down the road they do 10 different versions of this shit.
I think they're just gonna do one. I don't think that many people care about Tekashi. Just us.
It's gonna be a lifetime.
Like white people don't care about Tekashi. White people are not at home. Like, what's going on with 6ix9ine? Like, no one is backing out of Whole Foods. Like going through it. Like NPR is not doing a deep dive with Tekashi.
Today we're gonna speak about Tekashi 6ix9ine and his role as a federal witness in a racketeering case against the 9 Trey Bloods.
Someone from 9 Trey just got stabbed in prison for disavowing the gang. So shout out to them. They're still active. You know.
Okay.
Sometimes it's branding.
Okay.
It's branding. Like if you're
disavowed it, like I'm not fucking with y'all because like y'all.
I think he was trying to get
snitch or
something like that, or he was trying to get moved to protective custody or some shit, and they caught him. So listen, gangs are not baseball teams. Can't come on, walk on. Like you're in it. Yeah. I think the problem is they got rid of the cigarette burns. People don't that like. When someone's like, oh, I'm gonna burn you 3 times with a cigarette, then you'd be like, do I really want to do this? Because that changes like your options for wearing short sleeves.
Yeah.
You know?
Also getting jumped in. Like I feel like nowadays, like it's like, yo, bring me $5,000 and you could be in my gang. And it's like, okay, cool. All right, I could do that. Before it was like, yo, you gotta walk through this line of 30 dudes and every single one of them is gonna punch you in the fucking face.
Or
you make it to that
or you do work and slash people in the face.
Yeah.
On the train.
Yeah.
Which is not that hard actually.
That's not.
And people didn't realize how easy like you. There's no cameras and shit to catch you. You can get away with it.
Bro, in the 90s, you could definitely chop 6 people on the train and just keep it moving and stay on that. Probably stay on the same train and transfer 125th.
The 90s were almost 40 years ago.
20. Almost.
Yeah.
Almost there.
Yeah, these references, bro. These references.
Hip hop.
They getting up there. It's like, to us, that would be like someone being like, yo, back when I lived in the Bronx in the 60s. Yeah. Are you gonna listen to that? You want to hear somebody talk about fucking Bronx Tale? Huh? You want to hear someone talk about when Edenwald Projects was full of Italians?
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah, see? Back when the Bronx was weird.
The Bronx was weird.
You go in the Bronx and everyone's in a fucking doo-wop band. Johnny and the doo-wops.
Hey. Johnny and the Shonettes.
Joe, hey, get your harmonica.
All right.
The guys from City Island think they can sing better than we can.
Oh,
1, 2, 3, go. We are white guys from the Bronx. We are white. We take the train every day down to Fordham Road. We see some broads with some toes, and we know there are no blacks or spigs on my block. I'm just watching it like, why would I buy tickets for this? Why Why would I bring my mother to this? She's just looking at me like, why?
Yo,
She was like, you took me to the Handmaid's Tale. Now you're doing me this
Now
again.
you taking me to this?
I was like,
Motherfucker?
sorry. I was like, I think they're just like setting tone.
This is what I think should be like a standard rule for like when you do like if you do a movie and then you make it into a musical. Like, you got to take all the dark shit out before you make the musical. Because if you go to watch the Temptations musical, it's like you want to like hear the songs and like the happy shit and like sing along or whatever. And then they're like, yo, my girl, my girl, my girl. We were touring in the South. They was calling us niggers. And then it's just like mad shit. Like niggas are throwing shit on stage and on the bus and shit. And I was just like, and you see all the old white people that just came to hear my girl, like mad uncomfortable. Like, that wasn't me. That was my Uncle Joe.
I mean, you gotta throw that stuff in there. You gotta have all the emotions and shit.
I was like, yo.
Do you think,
I'm sitting there cracking up.
bro,
like,
when they make the Broadway play, the Bodega Boys,
oh, man.
when the guy called us the N-word on Bedford,
Yo, that was that motherfucker's still in the wind.
he's still out there. Bodega Hive.
Yo, what's up?
I thought I said to kill him.
Find him. We put a
Allegedly,
fatwa on
allegedly.
him.
But yeah.
Allegedly. Yeah.
Knock. If no, the next live show we have, bring him. Just drag him in.
Yeah.
We're gonna behead him on stage.
Yeah. Torture the nigga, burn him with cigarettes and shit.
Torture him.
Yeah. Do cartel shit.
I'm gonna pour gravy on him and let Mac run around him like.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
What other torture could we do for him?
Just copy the Wu-Tang torture skit.
We're gonna take his phone and we're gonna delete all his contacts.
Oh yeah,
There you go.
motherfucker.
What else? What do we do?
We could
Just wet one of his socks.
You know what? Just put the passcode in his iPhone mad times, mad
lock him
wrong,
out?
and disable the shit for like fucking 400 days.
That could
You know what I'm
work.
saying?
That could
Until he
work.
gotta wipe his whole shit. Torture, nigga.
We're gonna take out.
That's the new Wu-Tang torture, nigga.
We're gonna take out
wipe
Mero's
his phone.
contacts and put them in his eyes. Enjoy that conjunctivitis.
Hold that.
What else we gonna do?
Shit.
Ooh, we're gonna make you eat a $1 slice of pizza.
Yeah. Fuck that. With no drink.
And we're gonna buy him an apartment on a 5th floor walk up with no elevator.
That's right. And 4 roommates.
How do you enjoy that? Wait. No, that's not smart.
That's not. Yeah, no,
We'd just be paying rent.
We'd
for
be
him.
paying his rent. Yeah,
Okay.
that's a terrible idea. Shit. Why don't we just beat the nigga up?
Like, what does that prove?
Yeah, that's true.
What does that prove?
Yeah.
Beating people up between 19. No.
Yeah, no, we can't do that.
Gotta do something worse. Something to forever scar him.
Bring up his old tweets.
Perhaps. We can make him vape to death.
Yeah, because he was vaping. Yeah, I think he had a vape.
No.
You never vape?
Nobody was vaping back then. This was like before vapes.
This was like when they had the this is pre-Juul, but it's like in the thick of the robot cock vapes.
Yeah, but he wasn't vaping. Remember, he was in a Hollister shirt. Like,
Yeah, he looked
He
like a
was-
vapor. I think that's what made me feel like he was vaping because he had the Hollister V-neck.
no, because he was trying to look young, but he was old. He was one of those guys that you're like, oh wow, oh.
Okay.
Oh.
And you're wearing Havaianas. Okay.
see.
How can you drive in those?
He did. He got away.
This motherfucker. Oh man.
What if he's like a fan and he didn't realize it was us?
Yo.
And
he's like,
it's like, oh shit, that was what they. Oh wow.
that was him. Then he goes and gets like extensive plastic surgery, like El Chapo and shit, but we never find out who he is.
He wouldn't have to do that. He probably would just come to one of the shows and be like, remember someone called you the N-word? It was me, bro.
That's me, bro.
And we'd be like,
I
oh
take it
shit.
back. I love you.
I'm like, oh shit, Bodega Hive died for the Hive.
He's like, I got you guys' faces tatted to prove my, you know what I'm saying, my fucking loyalty to the Hive, bro.
I'm like, oh, thank you. That seems like a
Appreciate it.
terrible idea, but
Wow,
that's what you
appreciate
did. So
Okay, so shout out to you.
that shout out to you.
Fucking wing. Giants got creamed last night. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, this is to be expected. You know, it is what it is.
you talking about football?
Next season.
Are you talking about football?
Next season. Oh, that's right. You're boycotting.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is boycotting.
Just a DM from Nessa
Yeah.
about thank you for standing with Colin.
Yeah. We're boycotting.
Rest of you heathens.
Yeah, boycott.
Okay.
Boycott. I don't watch the games. I just bet money on them.
That's the same as watching the games.
No, I'm not. It's
the
not.
same.
It's not at all.
It's the same.
I don't give them the ratings.
That's like saying if you buy products from when slavery was around, if you bought products from a slave plantation but you didn't own slaves, it's no different.
Well,
Yeah.
No, it's actually completely different because
No.
this is just between me and Action Sports Network. It has nothing to do with the NFL.
No, it does everything. This is all from the NFL. You take away the NFL, you have nothing.
They're just taking data. It's like it's the same shit as if motherfuckers
It's
had
not
a
data.
smack-
The data is people.
So listen, when you bet on a game, you're betting on numbers. It's the
Your
same thing
data-
as betting on a Super Smash Brothers tournament.
That is not true.
It is absolutely
That
the same
is
thing.
not true.
1,000,000%.
If that's what you have to say to make it okay in your head,
That's fine.
to cotomize and monetize the death of young brown people slowly, repeatedly, night after night, for the enjoyment of people who don't give a shit if the cops are killing them. I mean, that's cool. That's
okay.
cool.
So now I'm the unwoke guy.
You've been the unwoke guy for many episodes. Many episodes. This is not a
That's right, motherfucker. I'm the kid man from motherfucking East Street. My nigga, I didn't graduate college. Suck my dick.
that doesn't work. That doesn't work at this point. They're like, what happened to Bodega Boys? I was like, fucking, it's
Turned into fucking
it's Malcolm
NPR.
Gladwell with fucking Tallahassee Coats. It's like, what's up? It's your boy Malcolm Gladwell. You know what? Yo, shout all my outliers.
Yeah,
yo,
you know
my
what
man.
I'm saying?
Yo, Tahasi, how you feeling? You got them reparations on
Yo,
deck?
yeah, you already know. You know what I'm saying?
Cool.
You know what I mean? I told the government, yo, stick you. We supposed to. What?
Yo, I got a hot take I was thinking about. Yo, I think most child molesters are well dressers. Oh shit! I wrote a whole chapter on that. Anyone else says that, you'd be like, you're out of your mind. But if Malcolm Gladwell says, everyone's like,
Oh,
well,
let's explore this. Let's explore this.
he's like, well, most child molesters wear size M. You can get a good, Japanese denim size. You're like, wow, you really, he's bringing some real good points.
You know what? Let's give him a $10 million grant to study this.
I love it. We have to start like writing just wild, controversial statements like that, like weird shit like that, and just like get people, because we're in that weird place where people just fall in line and believe it because we said it.
Oh yeah.
So our hot take for this episode is,
We're bringing back Kabbalah.
bringing back Kabbalah.
Yeah, that shit fell off.
Yeah, it was like,
Madonna was doing it. and
It was
like
never
shit.
really popping though.
Yeah, that's what
it
I'm
was
saying.
never. No, we got to bring back a different cult. Let's bring Heaven's Gate.
Jinx.
Jinx or Too Easy. Yeah.
Heaven's Gate is lit.
let's
Yeah,
be
Heaven's
real.
Gate.
We
No.
all own Cortezes.
And the brand synergy we will get with Nike, get the Cortez, get the tech suits.
This is the problem. This is the problem. This is the problem. See, you got people who like right here. People who like to think right here, like to think small. Okay? Yeah, Heaven's Gate. We're gonna lie in some bunk beds with some Cortezes and die. Meanwhile, your man, Jesus H. Fuego.
Oh,
all right?
what
I'm
do you got?
thinking
What
Coke.
do you got? Here we
I'm
go.
thinking Fry Fest. I'm thinking Jonestown 2, baby. Let's go. What's up? Bring your old Kool-Aid. All right, we're doing it Porter Viara or some shit. We're basically we're redoing the MTV summer spring break. Shit's gonna be lit. We're gonna have a special performance by Bad Baby, Cardi
Extension.
B, everybody's there. You can see him after the punch. Yeah. And it's not even a punch, it's just Duce. Victor, get a liquor sponsor for us.
I don't think this one's about the liquor, to be
Victor,
honest.
get a liquor. Victor, get us a liquor sponsor and a poison sponsor.
Yo, Terminex is like, pull up.
Oh my god! Just imagine we running it and like we got like fucking earpieces on and like we're moving talent and like under bad stress and shit. 5 minutes on stage.
How many minutes you need?
Okay, talents in hair and makeup. Yeah, 5 minutes. How are we looking on the poison?
What's props? Yeah, props.
Poison?
With poison. All right, poison's flying in.
We don't have. Copy. Hold on. Wait.
Oh yeah, we got it. We got
the poison. Okay, we got the poison.
Poison's flying in.
Take the trailer over there.
Poison's flying in.
Okay. What time is Lizzo going on? Okay, excellent.
Okay. All right, so we got 5 minutes in between. How are we gonna fill those 5 minutes?
Okay, Lizzo. Okay, when you sing the song, I need you to change the lyric. It goes, "Why poison great till it has to be great?"
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Fantastic.
Yes.
What? Okay. The bathrooms for the in the performers lounge.
What's going on with
It's clogged. So someone give me a plunger.
Oh shit. Okay.
let's go.
Fuck. Okay, I got it.
We get too winded to even kill ourselves.
We're all in FEMA tents.
At the end, we're just like, good show, guys.
Great.
We put on amazing show.
Amazing.
You know,
Amazing.
Shout out to Victor. Did his thing. CB, you did your thing.
Everybody.
Die.
Nope. Yeah.
Brought in the poison.
Couldn't have done without you.
What? The poison. We forgot to take the poison. Oh, next time. Adam's like, we forgot to do the poison, but guess what? We sold out. Got a new offer. You know what I'm saying? We're going to Chad. All right. It's a war-torn region, so selling tickets might be a little hard. But
listen,
I know we can sell it out if the theater's still standing.
This is the thing. The reach that you guys have in Chad, incredible. So we want to really attack that market.
Mm-hmm.
All right? And bring the poison over there.
Okay.
And just have the mass suicide over there because it'll be we'll get a great crowd response, great engagement.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the merch will fly, you know. We'll sell it before people die.
Literally, because the mortar will hit the theater.
Exactly. So
I love it.
You know, beautiful.
Love it.
It's a no-brainer.
That's a very
tell me when.
That's a very inside joke. But
I was about to bring April, the stage manager, into this.
Wow.
Could you imagine her making sure that she's gonna be like, yo, you got to be dead in 30? Okay.
She'll be like, hey, baby. It's 25 minutes. You got to die in 5, okay?
And we're walking.
And we're dying.
And we're dying.
And 3.
Nigga died the wrong way. They're like, reset.
Yeah.
Reset. Bring it back.
You should catch. Hold on. Stop down. My man. You died sideways. Everybody's on their back. Can we roll him over on his back, please? Thank you. All right. Speeder.
Can we get... I hate to do this. Can we get another death for safety?
I love that death.
I love that death.
Let's just do it. Let's just do it.
Just do it straight.
Straight, just like how it's on the
and
script.
faster. Just die faster at the end.
Yeah.
So like, I need you to die in like 30 seconds.
I love the drama that you ended at the end, but we want just something tight and clean, just in case we need to like cut it down. Okay. All right. Cool.
He's like, fuck.
I'm dead.
Love it. Love it.
Beautiful.
Great day. Great day.
All right, let's wrap on Desus and Mero, y'all. Everybody, thank you. Everybody.
Mad dead bodies around us and shit. I was just like, they're like, your cars are over here. I was like, oh, thank God.
Oh, thank God. Just high-fiving everybody and shit. Like, yo, Claire, good job.
Mad union people just dragging away dead bodies and shit.
Yo, you're dead now, but yo, you did a great job on the sketch.
Oh, shit. I'm like, all those dead people SAG? They're like, they were real people. I was like, what?
Well, they're SAG now.
Yeah, wow. They're all Vice employees. All right. All right. Oh, choo-choo.
Low key, if you just force everybody at Vice to wear the black and white Cortezes, they'd be dressed like Heaven's Gate anyway.
It's true. It's true.
With black overalls. Why does everybody at Vice dress like a fucking railroad worker? I just fucked that up. But you know what the fuck I mean? A railroad worker.
Yeah.
Motherfuckers out here dressed like white John Henry. Fuck is wrong with y'all? Man, get some real shoes. Nigga, not some fucking shits that you made with like nails.
What was even the point of the John Henry story?
I don't know.
Like, he was mad brolic and he was like,
black people are mad strong and then they die.
And he died at the end. He beat the train and he died. Like, does his wife crying at the end? Like
what the fuck?
John Henry was the original Fruitvale Station.
That's right.
Throwing it out there.
Boom.
I'm throwing it out. That's a hot take, but I'm throwing it out there.
Yo, Michael B. Jordan, you're the next fucking John Henry. The John Henry story starring Michael B. Jordan.
I don't want to see this shit. Eva's gonna shoot it. Oprah gonna like film it. This is important. We need to see it.
This is a horrible
We need to see it.
Lee Dennis is like, this is brilliant. This is brilliant. I love it. I love it. Get Terrence Howard in there somehow.
Damn, we might have to make this. The more I think about it, this makes a lot of sense with Michael B. Jordan.
It does.
He just takes his shirt off for no reason. Like, yo, come on, dog. You ain't got to do all that. He's like, yes, I did.
Shit's not even right. You know how us had what was it? I Got 5 on it. It's like the song. I got Are We Cutting? It's like the song. He's got 2 hammers. But you gotta do like a dark version of Are We Cutting? Just see the wife like, John, what are you gonna do with those hammers? And he's just like,
I'm finna hammer this railroad.
And it's just like a lightning flash.
That shit just reminds me of
In a world where a man couldn't own 2 hammers. You gotta have the racial aspect. Boy, where you going with them hammers?
What?
Where you going with them hammers, boy? Listen, hammers for white man.
No,
Okay.
they isn't.
Okay? Black man can't have no hammers.
I'm finna build me a railroad by my motherfucking self, and I'm gonna prove you wrong. Starring Daniel Kaluuya as John Henry.
I don't know why we can't get like a American.
He's like, I'm going to build this railroad, mate. I'm building the team from scratch, mate.
I got a hammer. Isn't it? Where's my piece, bro? What's this, Top Boy John Henry?
Fucking eat yourself as John Henry.
Where's my train tracks, bro?
Yo,
Choo choo, ain't it? Building the tube
yo, get the fuck out.
from Peckham to South London.
That's right, mate. Yo,
Are there mad American actors in England?
I
I don't think it goes both ways.
it doesn't.
I don't think this beautiful, sexy American accent is wanted over there.
nah. You go over there, you're like, imagine Cardi B trying to do like Downton Abbey. She be like, ew, yo, y'all niggas doing tea time? Ew.
Imagine us in Peaky Blinders, like, yo, where that dog at? Go, let me get a fucking sandwich and some coffee. They're like,
What?
like, ew,
It says tea time.
tea time.
It's high tea.
Yo, you dead ass?
Yo, for real?
That's crazy, yo.
Yo, y'all niggas just eat beans on bread?
That's why I'm gonna stand over here online. They're like, it's not online, it's inline. No, it's online. I'm from New York.
I'm online,
I'm from
nigga.
New York. I'm out here by myself.
Yo, what the fuck,
All
nigga?
right?
Yo, call this shit a
Actually,
Q one more time.
where's those
Call
Peaky
this shit a Q.
Blinders?
Call this shit a Q one more time, my nigga.
All right? Q.
Fuck.
I got a Q right here.
Yeah, I got a
That's
Q
a
in
letter.
the trunk, nigga. Suck. Fuck out of here.
Peaky Blinders.
Yo.
It sounds like a wild, problematic Jamaican club in Brooklyn.
Oh, yeah.
Peaky Blinders. It's like,
Peaky Blinders. Yo, this weekend we have a mash up the place at Peaky Blinders.
Peaky Blinders.
We have a ninja man.
The picture-
Hosted by Jesus Nice.
the picture is like a Jamaican man, and he's like looking over a fence, and there's like a lady bent over, but his eyes are mad big. I'm feeling peaky.
Peaky.
And yeah, like the outside, it looks like it's like beach theme, and you go outside, it's just chairs.
It's just chairs,
It's just a
nigga.
regular ass restaurant. ain't no peach theme or nothing.
Yo, we gonna get picky. Nigga drop the track. It's like bend over.
Picky, 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 picky.
I'm so picky. So picky.
The new dance is you actually come to the club with blinders. You keep opening it like,
Oh, do the pick now. Hey.
I hope you're listening, Riggs.
oh, the sun's down. Close them up. Twist.
And somehow it's like a penis reference and shit. Like,
Oh, yeah.
twist pon the cocky like you twist pon the blinds.
Clean them. Switch it up. Switch it up. Me love blinders, but no male to male. I'm like,
Why? We made it to 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Why'd you throw that in there?
girl to girl blinders is wrong.
Bind them. With the wild auto tune. Oh, no.
That's like a drop. No.
Fam, can I tell you something? This is me exposing something about myself. I had no
Shut
idea.
up, my nigga, shut up.
I had no idea.
No, expose yourself.
I had no idea.
Yeah. Expose yourself.
I saw a picture of Bobby Condors for the first time ever. Mm-hmm. He did not look anything like what I expected him to look like.
So you're exposing your anti-blackness?
No,
Because that's what I hear.
I thought he was.
I hear anti-blackness.
I thought he was like a white Jamaican dude, like the Facebook guy that went viral. That he's like, yo, I'm Jamaican, but I'm white.
I don't use Facebook because it meddled in our election.
Yeah, no. I'm talking about like I saw this shit in like 2007.
I didn't use it back then because I knew they were going to meddle in our election.
Okay, well, sure, yeah.
I'm super woke. You don't know that?
Yeah.
I once saved Hillary Clinton from a gang shooting. You know she's from Sex Money Murder, right?
I'll take you that and raise you. I deleted her emails. How about that?
I acid watched her emails. Okay. Okay, I'll have you know,
encrypted them?
I was at my home chilling, and then Donald Trump was like, "Russia, if you're listening, we have the emails." And my phone rang, and it was like, "You have the emails, these?" They're literally in a box underneath my couch right now. They're mad boring. They're all like memes and positivity. And what if all of Hillary Clinton's emails are like word of the day? This is like mailing list she signed up for.
A fucking newsletter. Like, hey guys, for this week, we would like to, everybody sign up for the 5K. Don't forget, and we're having a fundraiser for
like a recipe how to make like a cupcake inside a mug. It's like it's treason.
This is mad Pinterest links.
She's out here. She's making birthday cakes and mugs. Investigate her.
Investigate her.
That's not what cupcakes are for.
That's not what they made for.
Look at this. Look at this. It's a smiling dog and it's supposed to make you feel better. Why is she getting this?
Why?
Huh?
Why is she stepping into 2019 unbothered with positivity? Huh?
Prostate is the word of the day. Apparently, she has a friend request for Words with Friends. Who still plays that?
Who does that?
Words with Friends. Wow.
Damn, remember that shit?
Yeah, that was a moment.
That was a wild, grimy way to communicate. You know what I'm saying? With shorties on the low because they had the little chat option. Yeah, Dominicano soy. Let me say,
just bring out a flag. Just bring out a flag. You know what the word of the day right now is? Not monogamy. It is Dominicano. You can't spell Dominican and monogamy because Dominican uses too many letters, so you don't have anything left for monogamy.
You just got me.
Got me.
Got me. You got me. Mommy, you got me. You got me, mommy, but you're not going nowhere.
All you left is OMG. Oh my God, you got me.
Oh my God, you got me.
Oh man. Words with friends. If you get cheated on and your boo use words with friends to communicate with the person that cheated on, you can't even get mad.
You can't even get mad. You be like, yo,
nigga, you're not getting cheated on. You in the episode of 24. Like this is some high tech shit.
Chloe, I need you to hack into words with friends. Damn it.
Can you? I mean, at some point you got to be like, yo, I got cheated on, but this person went through efforts, so I didn't find out. So does that count for more?
Yo, it kind of you get points.
But then for all that, because you should have just like broke up with them.
You could.
But then it's just like, you know what? You bring something to the table. This person brings a little something you're not bringing to the table. Together, like we said last week, it's supplementary, not complimentary. You know, not 90 degrees, 180 degrees. Everyone at SFS is like, boo. We got talk. I'm telling y'all how to keep a man. Oh, I'm the bad guy?
Oh, word?
I'm the bad guy?
Oh, all right. You know what? Fuck y'all. Give it up for Charlie Wilson.
Let your man get his dick sucked. Listen, I'm going to be the new Steve Harvey. That's one new thing. I mean, ladies, you got to let your man get his dick sucked. Okay?
On occasion. Listen, there's nothing worse than getting your dick sucked by the same person all the time. Let
me ask you something. You ever had hamburger helper?
I sure did have. Yeah.
Would you want to eat hamburger helper Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? The crowd's like, tell us, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But Sunday, that hamburger helper needs some helper. It was like,
Also, shout out to Steve Harvey's mustache for looking like this. Yo, that motherfucker makes Drake's dad's mustache look like a fucking a mini push broom. Like, yo, man got the longest mustache in the game, dog.
Drake's dad's mustache looks like a fence for Lego. Like
that shit is a duck blind.
I was in a club in LA and he was there. Drake's dad.
Yeah.
And I was like,
and then the nigga got the nerve to say, like, yo, I was present in my son's life. I was like, sir, your attire tells me differently.
I was like, fam. I was like, we was in the same club. Like
come on now. How you in Canada in the tunnel at the same time?
But I do know people who lie about their parents not being in their life. We all have that one friend that wants to make their childhood seem more dramatic and shit. It's not true.
Oh, my dad left when I was...
My dad burns me with cigarettes. You meet their dad. He's like the nice person ever.
Yeah.
He's like, who wants to go to Pizza Fridays? Hey guys, guess what it is? Taco Tuesday. I'm like, Bronny, I thought you said your father left. He's like, he be coming around sometimes. Nigga, your father's LeBron James.
I know he's around, nigga.
I see him on his IG.
Come on. He's at the games. He's cheering you on. Fuck is wrong with you, man?
What's wrong with you?
Yo. That Travis Scott interview where he was like, yeah, my dad got a master's in like fucking, what's that shit that got to do with like politics and shit? Like political science. Yeah, that nigga had a master's and he was in the house and shit. Just like being in the
I
house.
never understood people who were like upset that their parents were in their life.
Like, like, why you mad? Like, yo, dog.
Like, I'll borrow that.
Like, for shit, I'll take it, nigga.
Shit.
Fuck, my pops was working like 18 hours a day, nigga. I come home and be like, hey, dad. Like,
hey.
yo, hey. Oh, you got to leave in 3 hours to go back to work? Okay,
I'm
love
6.
you.
I'm gonna just call my father by his government name. Can we just work different shifts? Just meet him at a coffee machine. I was like, hey, how's it going, Mike? Yeah, you know, this broad. She wants me to learn fucking vowels and consonants, right? Get off my fucking ass, you know?
Fucking Daniel Jones.
You know, what is that? Oh, yeah.
He's got 2 good weeks.
Go
Fucking
Giants.
shits to bed and then fucking week 6.
Go Giants. It's crazy. Anyway, I got a growth spur scheduled for later on, so I got to get out of here.
All right, take it easy.
I'll see you next week.
All right, keep it old school.
Just keep moving.
Oh, my God.
Oh, but we say that to say, stay in your kid's life or don't.
Yeah.
This is not what you come to this podcast for. We don't give you life advice. We talk about Pino.
Yeah, that's it.
Like, if you're listening to this podcast to decide if you should be in your kid's life or not, don't be in your kid's life because you're garbage.
You're not. This is not the place, man. Go to Dr. Phil, Dr. Oz.
Dr. Zizmore shit.
Dr. Zizmore. Dr. Miami, nigga. Any doctor. Any doctor.
Shit, Dr. Mario. Also, shout out to Dr. Mario. They was like, yeah, you guys like Tetris?
Yo, his Tetris with pills, nigga.
I know Tetris was like, wow.
Was Dr. Mero the first SoundCloud rapper?
Oh, because he had pills?
You niggas got mad pills and shit with the wild, weird beats and shit?
You know, you're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or fun.
Also, shout out to Mike Francesa for predicting both teams that lost.
Yes.
In baseball the other night.
Yes. And in football. Because the Cowboys and the Packers were playing, and it was like a blowout, and then Cowboys started creeping back into it, and Francesa was just like, yeah, the Cowboys making a strong showing. I think they're going to take this one. And I was like, thank you, Mike. I thought the Packers were going to blow it. And then the Packers scored like fucking 4 more touchdowns.
Yo, Mike Francesa.
Shut the mic. Shut the pole. Shut the pole.
They were saying that they feel like Mike has lost what he brings to the table, and he needs hosts. He needs co-hosts. And someone said Desus Mero and Mike Francesa would be the most amazing.
Yo.
They were like, even if that was just an hour show,
dog,
that would be the most amazing show.
That's baking soda and vinegar right there.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that shit is going to explode.
That would be such a fucking Could you imagine? Like he goes on a rant about how Dominicans are lazy.
Oh, like, what?
Yeah, you know they don't run out the first. You know.
Well, Mike. Well, maybe if you know,
he's no De Lo Mio personnel.
Yeah. Well, Mike. Guess what? If you know,
another Diet Coke.
DJ LeMahieu.
Whoa. Hey DJ, when you play that song, that's our guy. He keeps us dancing all night long.
Yeah. Well, if that guy, you know, would get on base, it would maybe incentivize.
I just come through. I'm like, why there's no Jamaican players? Huh?
Then the Yankees sign Usain Bolt. Nigga runs past first base and just keeps going.
You gotta work on some things, but you know.
Nigga slides around all 4 bases like in one slide. Like, yo, how do you do that?
Usain Bolt could score an inside the park home run on a single.
On a boom single to the pitcher.
They're like, how?
Yeah.
He's just like size the home. He's like.
In Jamaican news, did you see people trying to slander him? Like being like, yo, that he couldn't. They were saying some shit like he couldn't beat a 40, like you know, the NFL dudes do the 40-yard dash or whatever. That he couldn't beat average like time. And I was like, bro, this dude is the fastest man on the planet. Like, what are you talking about?
I wonder if they're talking about like how long it takes him to get up to speed or something. I don't know.
Like some acceleration or some wild.
He's faster than me.
Yeah, that's it. I was like, I'm not running from him.
Every now and then I'll be walking and my Apple Watch will be like, whoa. Hey, big dog.
Yo, fam.
You've been walking a bit. You want me to like call somebody? or you want me to mark this down?
You know what I'm saying?
'Cause I know you're not exercising. You're not really an exercise type nigga. So like, is the Uber app not loaded or what's going on? Oh, you walking the dog? Okay, cool.
Just checking.
And the Apple Watch be messy as fuck because it tells, like, if you go for a walk, it tells you like the endurance of the walk, how hard you're going, your heart rate, the elevation and shit.
Yeah, it should be like heart rate, you wild
like,
pussy,
damn.
elevation, you wild pussy, distance, go harder. You fucking
They need to
hurt.
add, if you walk through a wild, like a neighborhood that's like rough, like how you carried yourself.
Yeah.
And be like, yo, you was looking like, you was real sturdy.
You let your nuts hang.
Yeah, exactly. Yo, you was looking kind of soft there.
Yeah.
You was looking kind of soft there at the 1 mile mark. You know what I'm saying? Looking little buns.
Yeah, when you walking past 155th, you know what I'm saying? You look a little bunzini. Look a little nervous because the street light was out.
Across the street. I don't know.
I don't know, man.
I don't know.
You saw 2 niggas sitting on the bench in the dark. You got
You
nervous.
was like, you didn't want any trouble. I don't know if I can relate. It's kind of sad.
I'm the type of asshole to walk past the 2 dudes sitting on the bench in the dark and just look at them like, yo, what's up? What y'all doing?
No, anytime I pass, I just give a head nod like that. And usually, especially in the Bronx, they just they'll be like, what's up?
Man,
and then as I'm walking away, they'll be like, oh shit, that's my son, Desus.
Yo, what's good, nigga?
I'm like, there was a guy yesterday, he was like, yo, my guy, D's. Yo, D's. And I was like, who? I was like, and I don't want to turn around and be like, D's who? And he'd be like, D's nuts,
D's
nigga.
nuts,
And I
nigga.
have to fight him, but
Yeah.
that shit worked out.
Like, yo, Mike,
Mike, drop.
my dick. Nigga, like, oh, come on, bro.
You guys were going to be performing at Bofa?
What?
Both these nuts in your motherfucking mouth, motherfucker. Put them all in your cheeks, man. This is episode 174?
Yes, it is.
Episode 174.
Which coincidentally is the amount of games that the Yankees need to win in a row in order to sweep the bum-ass Houston Astros.
174?
4.
Oh. That was a reach. Like,
Whatever. I'm
you'd
just excited.
make a terrible sportscaster. I just want you to know.
But that's good because terrible sportscasters are the best sportscasters because they go viral the most. Think of Chris Collinsworth. He says stupid ass shit like, if he would have caught that ball, it would have been a complete pass.
It's true. It's true.
Niggas watch Magic Johnson got mad Twitter followers for his basketball analysis.
That Justin don't know shit. He was like, yo, I feel like the Dodgers won't be going to the World Series this year. It's like, yeah, because they lost, nigga.
Hello.
It's your boy, these nights, aka Young Chipotle, pocket say fat like Tyrio, pocket say fat like, here we go. Hey. It's the R&B version, like, here we go. You guys seen that? We got to do a remake of It's So Hard to Say Goodbye to Yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
But it's like gonna be the mad, like, flaky boss baller version. It's gonna be like, it's so hard to say goodbye to being broke. Niggas singing the money and shit. He's got their shirt open in the bank
And
vault.
I'll take with me these APs and the Yacht Masters with which I came.
Y'all masters which I can.
Cause it's so hard to say goodbye to being broke. Then the bass nigga comes in and he's like, y'all niggas is broke and I'm not.
They're like, why would you play this song on the why would you play this on the
At a
radio?
charity event. At a homeless shelter for kids. Like, yo.
Oh, y'all niggas got no houses. So when I might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nines with Rondo, 1994 in Nueva York.
God damn.
MC Lukagunki, Mikhail going off the Juve boys. MC Lukagunki putting up for 40, which is shorty. Don't talk to me in the Uber. I don't know you
at all.
So I had an Uber the other day, and the guy I got in, and he started laughing. He was like, "Oh my god, yo, I fucks with the brand, but like I know how you feel about Uber, so I'm not gonna say nothing." I was like, "Oh, thank you,
oh my god,
thank you, 5 stars, 5 stars." Now hurry up! I just drank some ramen with bone broth, and I have to get to the bathroom
ASAP.
Because you know what they say: you don't buy it, you rent it. The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss, son. You can also say that in a relationship, like, yo, my +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss, son.
So please, my girl got a girl.
Are you fucking kidding me? Don't. Don't make a fuss. These Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, still listen. We still celebrating the hangover from Rosh Hashanah.
Yo,
you know what I'm saying?
Now we're atoning for our sins, yo.
Okay, niggas,
you feel me?
Mad brisket on deck and Jermaine Avocados, Young Padre goes to Mufasa, Young Chakuni at the coonery, Young Chakuni at the coonery, Chakuni at the coonery, Young Chakuni at the coonery. You gotta say it like that, like that. Like, Mama say, Mama say, Makusa, Mama say, Mama say, Makusa, Shama, coonery, Anyone else does that, you'd call the cops.
Yeah.
You'd
Mike
do that.
does it. It's like, yo, he's a genius.
He's a genius.
Yeah, mad
Go do that in the quiet car. Go do that in the quiet car on LIWR. See how people react.
Hey, asshole! I'm trying to listen to Pastor Billy Joel over here.
Hey, you're listening to the man in the mirror. I'm listening to the man that needs to shut the fuck up.
Yeah, asshole.
AK Tilly Lamone left handed for the Yankees. Hey, listen, we have to play the Astros and they play in Houston. And you know who goes for Houston? Whitney, and she died. So that's how we're gonna play it. Okay, you know?
Because I got the perico.
Don't you guys have to like rekindle your Twitter beef with Travis Scott over the Astros?
Let's see if we won first. Three Phone Jones, Dizek Machina, Jay Charkles, Stanley Cobbs, Demon Dr. Bonder's League, but dilute. You're using too many napkins. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240 P. I like my Pinot blurry. Yeah. I like my Pinot without the right tags on it. I like my Pinot with a lot of comments that say, what's her name? You know what I mean?
Don't post your name, they're gonna delete it.
Or they post her name and they replace the A with the @ sign.
Yeah,
scumbag.
A with the 3, you already know.
Sushi Boys, yeah. DJ Woolite, aka the Washed FM. And listen, I haven't been bringing the washness lately. I haven't been bringing that hip hop for y'all.
Bring it.
Okay?
That real hip hop.
Let's see if Mero knows about real hip hop.
Oh shit.
Try to make better believe I'm in my own league. Shouting, it ain't no competition. Heavy in the game, got me in my own lane. Little homie, it ain't no competition.
What?
You know what this is?
Is that Pudgy the Fat Bastard?
The Outlaws.
The Outlaws!
With Fatal Hussein.
Wow!
All right? And some of y'all like, who's that Desus? Who's that Wash Group? If you know about Tupac, you should know about the Outlaws. That's a song they made in 2017.
Yes. The Outlaws, for the younger generation, the Outlaws are to Tupac what the Bravehearts are to Nas.
To younger people out here, this is who the Outlaws are. When you listen to Hail Mary, do you know how at the end of Tupac's verse you turn it off?
Yeah.
The people that rap after turn it off.
Yeah.
Exactly. So
shout out to Tupac for picking the worst features. Like All Eyes on Me. Who's the guy that comes on All Eyes on Me? He's like, niggas wanna come in, and his whole flow was like this the entire time.
I know you're not slandering who I think you're slandering.
All Eyes on Me.
Wait. With the Tupac song?
Yeah.
Wait, what's his name? That song is fucking fire. Have you?
But the song is fire.
The guy that raps, he has like the best verse on it.
His voice, it sounds like Paul Bearer trying to rap.
Yo, play that.
Wow.
Yeah, no, listen to this guy.
This could be your Imperioli Mia Khalifa moment. Maybe you just never looked at it that way.
You know what I'm saying?
What? No fucking way.
Listen to the guy. The way his flow, his cadence, and everything. It's like ooh, spooky.
This guy?
Swerve. Nigga said, I gotta fucking swerve.
Wow.
Nigga had the spooky flow.
Wow.
Yo, it's October, baby, Halloween.
I hope someone shoots you. Anyway. Disrespect the hip hop. Disrespect the hip hop.
Nigga said, I'll just send up
the Curry Goat. Jesus Spicy, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew. Wow. The Murder cannot Potato. Do you remember Word to Ja, Young Arrow, the Race of Rocket Tour, Henry Budko, Boys, no shebang Della. Sergio can't see me. Vladimir Buffin. Wow. The human world is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Texas, Mr. Squeaky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich. More says to chestnut, Mama Gambi. Not gonna be black, I got that cucumber. The juice is pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles, to put the Peckham, the Fast Nova, Casanova. We made shit 5 cents, 10 cents, $1 for get small change, give me big money. Joey Anthem, my salute is dip set. Mr. Second, catch me at square one, top left, Mets is morphed.
To this day.
True result of holy cow. Mr. Soft Punk, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D.
Hey.
David German X. These expensive, these is red bottles, these bloody shoes. Smokeem Noah, Andrew Coonan, aka the Junior Energy God Jr. Come sit down, pop me charge.
Sit party, one party.
Call me Pet Cook, I got your bitch on freeze. Topic of gossip is Sayasa out to the 11791. I'll fight you in Babylon, you cowards. Let's go,
right,
Rangers.
bro.
Let's go, fucking Rangers.
Yo, I'll break a 12 over your fucking head, bro.
AK Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket. AK your man Dead IDs this morning, Sheriff. Be ashamed if these blankets with tuberculosis went missing. Then I get tuberculosis. But you know, it was energy.
Well, you know what?
I think we need to move Lonzo.
There you go. Mr. Shopping at the street easy with bad breeds like I'm easy. People believe in the back. Easy attic, golden mac, craft matic, Mr. Lamina, Mr. Marino, fresh misdemeanor, a cold demeanor, the sheet mask killer, no one be iller. The black Zach Morris, the Port Morris, aka Young KPI for all my marketing people out there. You know what it is. Aka Problematic Bay. Listen. It's not a secret family if you kill one of them. All right. Up next,
Yo, it's your fucking boy. Make some motherfucking noise. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct, a.k.a. Donovan McDad, a.k.a. Curve Gotti. You know what I'm saying? Stay the fuck out my DMs. I just started getting money. A.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your motherfucking sheepdog and keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. I don't. I'm a first generation immigrant child, brother. Fuck that. You know what I'm saying? I'll eat animals. You know what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck. I'll eat a fucking gopher, nigga, if I'm hungry enough. I don't fucking baby, I'm fucking mang, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list. I played the fucking Starfish and Little Mermaid, nigga. Don't fucking touch me. No, I didn't have any lines, but I was just there and I made the ambiance. You know what I'm saying? Yo, Nate, shoot this nigga's fucking do-rag off with disrespect to me. Woo. You know what I'm saying? AKA CC Dad Bath here, you know what I'm saying? Smoking wild THC in the basement, you know what I'm saying? AKA Jane say fat dick, I'll ghost on you, shorty. You never see me again. You know what I'm saying? I gave you a Google phone number. Stupid. AKA Tiger Backwoods, you know what I'm saying? I'm on the back 9 with a 9 smoking. You know what I'm saying? Holla. You know what I'm saying? AKA getting to the shmoney and the smoke is your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? AKA Mero the 4th is coming off the bench for Daniel Jones until Saquon get back. You know why? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA Big Smack Beyond Boy. AKA Diego Maradona. AKA Dick and Yabin Mutombo. AKA David Trisdale. Pow, nigga, take that for data. AKA Bartlo's antenna. So smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car.
The zip car.
Yeah, while I design women's shoes. That's right. AKA Dominican Dundada Dykeman Daddy. You know what I'm saying? Catch me at Locksmith, fucking hanging upside down from the ceiling, just playing the flute. You know
Sir,
what I'm
you
saying?
can't do that. Sir, you can't do that.
Yo, Oscar said I could, yo.
Sir.
And Hasan said too. Hasan said I could sleep under the DJ booth. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that. AKA swap my card again. There's definitely money on it. I don't give. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your management when they come up here and ask me for quick selfies and ask me how the kids is doing. Huh? You like your little Burger King job, Edwin? Then fucking put the fucking spicy nuggets in the bag and keep it moving, bro. Stop asking me for shit. You know what I'm saying? AKA Romeo Santos. So Zanny. Let me find out. I'm gonna kiss your titi with only my Chelsea boots on, Papi. I'm gonna be booty butt naked, just Chelsea boots, and I'm gonna be kissing your titi.
Stop, my uncle just died.
I don't care. We in the wake. We at Ortiz funeral home. Nigga, ask me if I give a fuck. I'm gonna eat her ass.
Not in front of everybody.
No. Don't touch my Chelsea boots. AKA Light Now Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. Please hold the applause. Thank you. That your broke ass ain't got fire. You know what I'm saying? So stay your ass in the house, girl. I'll be performing all week at the Apollo. Thank you. AKA Tom Brady. I got my balls more deflated than Bobby Crafts. You know what I'm saying? Table shop boys in the motherfucking building, y'all. You know what I'm saying? AKA Field the ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos, man, but consensually, with emphatic consent. Emphatic consent. You know what I'm saying? Learn those 2 words. You know what I'm saying? Thank you. AKA Lil Snoozy Vert. First nigga to tap out on live. I've been doing it, you know what I'm saying, before all your favorite SoundCloud rappers, you know what I'm saying? I've been the pioneer of falling asleep on social media. AKA Friday Messi, MVP of Gelato. AKA Zaniel Bennyfield. I gotta get some sticks. Yeah, AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me.
Where?
At Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Special event, you know what I'm saying? For the winter time, you know what I'm saying? We got P.O. back on deck. He's flipping the coals, y'all.
We're remaking Mama Sushi with snow.
That's right.
With snow.
Yeah. You know what I mean?
It's just gonna be snow. It's gonna be like dirty snow. I was like, why are we standing on the water in the cold?
Don't worry about it.
It's festival.
It's a thing.
All right.
It's an event. It's an event.
So we'll play one dance again.
Yeah, you're lucky to be here. AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I have reconstructed a child's sternum using only autumn leaves and Burger King zesty sauce. Now your child can vogue. You're welcome. Candy, get the strap. AKA, I'll open your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen Man. It's got about you know what I'm saying? Fucking, you know what I'm saying? Get on a plane and nigga off a fuck bar and a couple edibles. Nigga wake up, fucking swallow my beef brisket and just be like, then fall asleep for 7 hours. You know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy. You know what I'm saying? AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby New for 2 for 5 niggas got garbage on the way. AKA Nino Brown, shut the Carter down. Got your titi backing up naked. You know what I'm saying? AKA live from the parking lot at Home Depot. And no, he's not looking for work. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your titi is fucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me leave. You know what I'm saying? AKA I make my friends since I'm never gonna fail. AKA listen, mate, it's only 2 rock stars left. 2, the Bodega Boys, mate, of which I am one in it. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, smoking blunts and watching the Yankees dominate. You know what I'm saying? AKA chilling at the crib off edibles, waiting for Katie and Kyrie in a Google Hangout still for a week straight. It's Barmelo's Anthony. For 3? I guess. For number 3. You know what I'm saying? Supersize. If you see me at Target higher than fucking Frank Kaminsky's yarmulke, approach me like a motherfucking earthside mammal and atone for your motherfucking sins, B, because I may react erratically and you might not like that. You know what I'm saying? And, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up after it's over, and I will be sleeping and urinating on myself. And I'll have my friend Mr. Fun take over the festivities on my behalf.
Testing. Is this recording? All right, someone put your phones away. Listen, I put a little Vienna sausage in one of your pants, and now you...
Whoa! What? Sorry, Mrs. Bornstein. Mr. Fun likes to, call audible sometimes. All right, let's get the fuck out of here. It's a car right now. Let's go. AKA, I sold fake link to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off oven cleaner I found in my garage. I don't even know. The shit is expired. But what's definitely expired is the Simply Fruit Punch that I used to mix with it. And now for your favorite part of the evening. Please turn on your SAP buttons. If you have a Dominican relative, please have them sit next to you and translate on your behalf.
All my Dominicans, please rise.
Estamos lindo. Hasan, coño, tírame la pista, oye, que lo que llegó el de FIFA, papá Dios bendiga a mi enemigo, coño, que los voy a bautizar con plomo si no dejan la dema. La envidia no mata, pero mortifica, y parece que tú tienes requilla porque te pica. Mamá huevo, coño, estamos lindos para el 2020. Ya tú sabes que lo que. Las cuentas están en alta. Shout out La Casa, Showtime. Shout out Cash App. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Hasan que pone la fucking nota. La nena de la bodega, Daivi, que tiene el pie todo de guabinao. You know what I'm saying? Y shout out Claire Fritamen, que está en el building. También estamos aquí, estamos lindos. You know what I'm saying? Y finalmente, shout out mi presidente Pío, secretario de defensa activa con el cañón. Avísame que lo suelto, manín. Me quité. Ya.
That's right. Desus Mero returning back to Showtime October 14th. That's right. Probably tonight. And what else we got going on? Just all types of stuff.
That shit, bro.
We have the Black Turtle Bible coming out, where
That's
it's just
right.
us reading different scriptures. Taxstone is reading Deuteronomy.
Yes,
Gonna
right.
be lit.
Super lit.
What else we got? We got Mero's Guide to Breastfeeding.
You know what I'm saying?
It's not for babies, just for like niggas that's like sucking on titties.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? That titty will be good for you.
And my new book, This is a Babylon Ting, where I just tell you what is a Babylon
What
Ting.
Babylon
It's,
Tings are.
Series 1 starts with A.
That's right.
Alphabets, Alfalfa, girl's name Alejandra.
That's right.
Antonio.
It's like the world book.
Yeah. It's a
Except
world book.
It's the world boss book.
There you go. Free
You know what I'm
World
saying?
Boss. Episode 174. Most dangerous podcast in the world. Yeah, we out.